Hey, this is Tricia here. Tricia Thomas from Devoted Healthcare Consultants. Just reaching out to you guys with a quick video. So I have a question that has been asked over and over again is, where do I start? So I always say, start with, a business plan. Where do you want your business to go? How do you see your business being set up? You start there by writing it all out. Writing out your plan. How much money you're going to need to run your business. What kind of business? Who do you want to serve under your business? And this is for non-medical home care agencies. So you want to figure out what population you want to serve. You want to find out how much money it's going to take to start it in your area. Every state is a little different as far as the requirements. Like in Florida, you have to have an office, which will take a few dollars, to rent or to buy. In different states, you don't have to have an office, but it's different everywhere. So it's important to start there. So the business plan will give you the roadmap. Just kind of set things up one by one, and will give you more direction. And also, if you need to get funding, showing that to a bank will also help you to show that you have things planned out. Okay? So I hope that has helped. If you have any questions, you can text me at 833-921-4609. Again, 833-921-4609. You can text a question there, or you can text the word home care. Okay? So this is Tricia Thomas again. My name is Tricia, Tricia, Thomas, ThomasRN. If you're looking for me on YouTube, I do have several videos that can help you as well. Help you to understand better how to start a non-medical home care agency and the things that are important, marketing, and so on. They're all there on YouTube under my name, Tricia Thomas, RN. Okay? And again, under Devoted Healthcare Consultants. I hope that has helped, and have a good day. Bye-bye.